I'd like to start off by saying thank you to the company for sending this out for review. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Dersie Frankincense Balm. So if you love natural skincare, this one is definitely interesting because it is completely plant-based and it is made for anyone that's dealing with dry to sensitive skin. So right on the packaging, it tells you exactly what this is meant for. So it is soothing, deep moisture, and restoring your skin. So if you're someone that deals with tightness, dryness, flakiness, irritation, and you are desiring something that brings some daily comfort and hydration back into your life, then definitely check this one out, especially right now as the days are getting colder. I personally tend to get a lot drier. My skin feels dry, feels flaky. So I'm excited to test this out. This is the first time that I'm actually going to be trying it out. So I'm going to be unboxing it and trying it on here on camera with you. So one of the standout ingredients here is the frankincense. Some of the ingredients on here listed include coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, olive fruit oil, avocado oil, frankincense oil, lavender oil, peppermint leaf oil, and ginger root extract. So it's basically a cocktail of hydrating oils plus botanicals that help the skin feel smooth, calm, and refresh. Back of the box explains that the balm is gentle and plant-based, and the goal is to soften and comfort dry, sensitive skin. It is meant for daily hydration and it can be used both day and night depending on what you prefer. Inside of the box, you get the balm itself. This is a 4-ounce container, which is a pretty generous size. A little balm usually goes a long way, so this should last quite a while even when using it daily. The directions are super simple. Start with clean skin, apply a small amount of balm to your face or your body, massage it until it fully absorbs, and for best results, they recommend it using twice a day. Since it's made with oils and butters, the texture is usually thicker than lotion. Balms like this are great for people who want long-lasting moisture, especially areas like the face, neck, elbows, hands, or anywhere that gets dry. You can use this in the nighttime as a moisturizer, a calming balm after you're washing your face, or even a spot treatment for rough areas. And because it's natural, it's an option for people who want something simple and clean. So overall, the Dersie Frankincense Balm is really all about nourishment, hydration, and softness. If you like natural ingredients, essential oils, and products that make your skin feel protected and moisturized, this is definitely a good one to add to your routine. So I'll go ahead and link it down below so you could check it out for yourself, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.